Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your RS3 to a camera. First, ensure both your camera and the RS3 gimbal are fully charged. Next, carefully mount your camera onto the RS3 quick-release plate, making sure it's balanced. Finally, power on both your camera and the RS3, preparing them for the connection process. Now, let's connect the control cable. Identify the specific camera control cable that matches your camera model. DJI provides several options. Gently plug one end of this cable into your camera's designated control port. Then, connect the other end of the cable into the camera control port located on the RS3 gimbal itself. This establishes the physical link. With the physical connection made, open the DJI Ronin app on your smartphone or tablet. The app should automatically detect your RS3. Select it from the list of available devices. Once connected, navigate through the app's menu to find the camera control settings. This is where you'll configure how the gimbal interacts with your camera. Finally, it's time to test and optimize your setup. Use the RS3 controls to verify that functions like recording, focus, and zoom are working correctly. Then, perform an auto-tune within the Ronin app to ensure the gimbal is perfectly balanced and stabilized. Make any final adjustments to settings for your specific shooting scenario. You're now ready to shoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.